gentlemen, this is Aditi once again on Innoworld Reveal. And before starting this log, I have been really confused for a while about what should I start on with next. Should I start on with number compatibilities, or shall I start with the personal year and the personal month and the personal day? So then I thought that as we are nearing the end of the year 2013 and we are nearing the beginning of the year 2014, so why should we not try and understand what the upcoming calendar year holds for us, and why should not we know about what is in store for us? So the personal year number, rather evaluating the personal year number, can tell us about the trends of the upcoming calendar year. Numerology believes that each one of us passes through 9-year cycles. The number 1, the personal year number 1, marks the beginning of the cycle, and the year number 9 marks the end of it. And in between the cycles, we pass through an array of emotions where we pass through success, failures, diplomacy, conflicts, we pass through adversity, we pass through prosperity, all in between the 9-year cycles. And these cycles come in everybody's life and they are common to each one of us. So let us quickly see how we can calculate our personal years, days and months. For the personal year calculation, you have to consider the day of birth. Say suppose somebody is born on the 15th of September 1991. So 15 is the day of birth, 9 is the month of birth, and 1991 is the year of birth. So you just need the day of the birth and the month of the birth. So you have 1 plus 5, 15 plus 9, and then you consider the year you want to evaluate. Say suppose we want to evaluate 2014. How would be the year 2014 for this guy? So we add 15, which comes to 6, then we add 9, and then we add 2014, which comes to 7. So we get a total of 22. And for personal year evaluation, you can reduce the master numbers to a single digit because it's always a 9-year cycle. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So the year 2014 is a personal year number 4 for this guy. So this year for him is going to be governed by the number 4. Now let us be more specific. Say suppose we want to know how would be the month of September of the year 2014 for this guy. So you have 9 for the month of September because September is 9, and then you have the personal year number, which is 4. So you add 9 plus 4 and we get a 13, which is again reduced to a 4. So the trend of the month September would be identified by the analysis of the number 4 again. So likewise, we have August, which would be 3, October, which would be 5, November, which would be 6. So the personal month numbers are telling us about the smaller trends under a bigger trend, which is the personal year number. Now we can be even more specific. You want to know how would be 20th of September 2014 for this particular person. So you add 2 for 20 because 2 plus 0 is 2, plus 4 for the personal month number, plus 4 for the personal year number of 2014. So we get a 10, which is further reduced to a 1. So the nature of the day will be evaluated by evaluating the number 1. The universe has numbered each and every detail, each and every element in it with detail. The universe is perfectly numbered us. Everything around is there to serve a purpose. Even we are here to serve our specific purpose. And if we serve our purpose, what we get is happiness, because the forces around us would act in our favor and take us ahead in our path. And if we do not serve our purpose, the forces of the universe will act against us. The personal year, the personal month, and the day numbers can only predict an upcoming trend. They can only indicate. We should know that universe always gives each one of us with our powers. Each one of us get our own share of opportunities, but what we end up doing with it is totally up to us, because everything around is subjected to free will. So let us begin with the personal year 1. What does the personal year 1 indicate? The personal year 1 marks the beginning of the 9-year cycle. So you have fresh energy, fresh adventure, fresh hope, So you have a lot of goals to be set, targets to be set, and lot of things to be done. So personal year 1 begins with a fresh energy and you have loads of it. The personal year 1 is a beautiful time to begin something. It can be a new venture, it can be also a marriage. So if you want to begin something, this is a beautiful time for that, and you should take a full advantage of this time, because opportunities which you get right now would come after a long time from now. So this is the time to act. This is the time for important decisions to be taken. Personal year 2 is a time when you do not push too much. You take a back seat, you wait and watch the progress, because you have acted upon big last year. So this is the time when you wait and watch and see where it goes. So this is not the time when you are really aggressive or you act big, because even if you do, you would rather get frustrated because you won't get to see immediate results. This is also a time when you will be very sensitive on an emotional level, so you have to practice a lot of self-control. You might also be subjected to a lot of depression, so you have to really practice balance. This is also a time when you will form very deep bonds with somebody of the opposite sex. So this is a great time for relationships, because bonding formed at this time will be very deep and everlasting. This is also a good time for team efforts, because team efforts will give you good results. Personal year 3 is a very joyous, cheerful, active and happening time. So this is a time when you really lighten up and express yourself fully, because even responsibilities around you will lighten up. 3 is the number for creative self-expression. So if you belong to a creative field, this is a great time for creative self-expression and exploring your creative abilities. This is a great time for romances, because 3 is carefree, 3 is frivolous. But at the same time, this is a not very good time for business, because 3 doesn't plan for the future. And finances and business need planning. They need attention to detail. After a very high energy, carefree year of the year 3, you have the personal year 4. So 4 brings your attention to the facts of life. 4 gets you grounded. 4 brings you towards home, money, career and business. So 4 is about solidifying. 4 is about stabilizing your situation. 4 is about facts of life. So 4 is re-establishment. This is a year when you put everything in order. Although this year might look like a very frustrating year to you, because your efforts will be unable to produce very dramatic and immediate results, but this actually is a very important year, because this year will organize everything around you. This year, your attention to detail and your sense of practicality is going to be very high. So this is a year when you make great investments, you can buy homes. So this is a year for that. This is also a year for making great business plans and building up for it. But just be a little careful about your health, because some health issues might crop up this year. So now we have personal year 5. So after a lot of planning and lot of organizing you did last year, this is a year for real action and drama. This is going to be a very exciting year, a year of changes, travel, adventure. Your social life will be growing and your horizons will be expanding. You will be very quick with business negotiations, you'll do very good negotiations, and there also will be an urge of relocating your residence. But then you won't be able to put attention to the finer details, so you have to do it before this year, because this year you're really going to be on your toes. Personal year 6 will bring your attention back towards the home front, because there will be growing sense of responsibilities at the home front, and your loved ones will need your attention and care. So you will have to be very accommodating at this point of time. Career at this point won't be that fast moving, so you can afford to spend a lot of time with your family, and this is a time when you become very peaceful and harmonious, and being aggressive at this point of time is not going to help, because being very aggressive with work will not give you immediate great results. Personal year 7 is about exploring yourself. It is about a lot of introspection and reflecting back on the past. So, at this point of time, you cannot afford to take a lot of pressure from the work front or the business front. So, this is the time when you sit alone, you relax, and you think what is it that you're actually looking for? What is it that you want to do? And then you plan according to that. This is not a time for major actions in life, because trying to go for major actions in life will only frustrate you because it won't be very rewarding. This is a time rather for self-improvement and developing abilities in yourself and preparing for the power play which is coming the next year. This is a great year for academics and achievements in those fields. Writers and poets and people dealing in those fields will do very good this year. Personal year 8, as I said, is the year of power play and action. So, after all the soul searching and self improvement that you went for last year, this is the time for big actions and taking big decisions. This is also a year when your potential will be at its peak. You might also find stirrings for a newfound ambition which will be growing stronger day by day. You would want to do more, you would want to experience more, so this is a year for business and major actions in life, and all what you wanted to do, you must do it this year. If you want to take some risks, take it this year because this year is going to be very rewarding for you. Personal year 9 is the last year of the 9-year cycle, so you've passed 8 years in that cycle and you have a lot of experience now, so you can pass this experience to the people, and people will be looking for your guidance and support because you will appear to be very wise at this point of time and you will have all it takes to guide them. This is also the time when you get recognized for all your efforts and all your achievements in the past 8 years. So this is also the time for completion. You complete all the unfinished tasks, you finish up all the loose ends, gather the inventory from the past that you want to take ahead the people that you want to take ahead, and leave the people behind that need to be forgotten and forgiven. So forget and forgive them and just move on, because the things that you take along now will be there for you, with you in the next cycle, and the things that you leave behind will be slowly forgotten and forgiven. So this is the time when you really move on and gear up for the next cycle. So guys, that is the 9-year cycle for you. If you go through the complete cycle, you can understand what the universe is wanting out of you, and you can understand your present state of mind. You can understand what you want to do today, tomorrow and day after, and plan for it. Although these are just the trends and these are always subjected to free will. So guys, that's all for today, and if you liked watching the log, click like and like the log because that counts. And if you want to subscribe, you can also subscribe so that you can get updates on all the upcoming interesting logs that I'll be having. I'll be talking about the number compatibilities next. You can also join my Facebook page where you can message me, you can also comment below and I'll get back to you on that. And thanks a lot for watching the log. Thanks a lot for staying tuned to Inner World Revealed.